Alright, now to make our cute little lollipop ornaments, we're going to be using white paint, red paint, and in the squeeze bottle there, I have recycled a dish detergent bottle and put some decoupage medium in there to make it easier to use. We're also going to be using white and red glitter, or iridescent glitter. We're going to be using those circles, 2 circles of course. Some people use 3, depends on how thick you want your ornament. A dowel rod, or if you have any candy making supplies, you'll have some candy sticks. We're going to be using the white tissue paper, and of course our glue gun. So let's get started. Okay guys, so now that we're ready to start, rather than have you watch every little detail on the simple steps, I have got this put together in segments to get us up to where we need to be. So the first thing you're going to do is glue the 2 discs together, and you're going to insert your dowel rod in between the 2 layers. After that sets up, you're going to brush on some decoupage medium and attach your tissue paper. Once you do that, you're going to flip it over and you're going to brush on another layer of decoupage, and you're going to start pulling these over and attach those until it looks like this, completely covered. You're going to paint the entire thing white all the way around, and if you want to go ahead and paint your dowel rod, you can also do that as well. Alright, once the entire thing is white and dried, you're going to add some red stripes. Okay, so I have a little bit of decoupage medium here in an old cap, and we're just going over the red. So you just want to tap it on or get a good layer on there because it's going to be holding glitter, so I don't skimp. Just wipe that on generously. You're not going to have to worry about the red glitter sticking to the white because the white is the first layer of paint you put down, so that is set up nice and dry now. So we really just want to get the red done. That was the last paint put on, so if it's still damp, it's not such a big deal because you're putting glitter right over it anyway. And you'll notice I just did the 3 stripes. If you like a thin stripe and you want to put several thin red, that looks good as well. This is just for speed today. Just sprinkle it all over. And again, be generous. Do this in a paper plate so that as soon as you're done, you can pour all of the fallen glitter right back into the bottle. Alright, and then just turn it over and tap it. Then you're just going to want to let these dry. The next thing we're going to do is come back. We're going to put decoupage medium there and put in the white glitter. So I'll be back in just a moment. Alright guys, now as you can see, even when I emptied the red glitter, there's a little left on there, so I grabbed another paper plate to use with the white. You don't want to be pouring your white glitter back into the bottle and it have any red in it at all, or you're going to contaminate your bottle of white. Alright, and I know you know that. It's more of a reminder than an instruction. Now we're going to go ahead and go in. This could stand to dry just a little bit longer, but we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, another tip, I did go ahead and rinse out my brush because as I was putting the red on, I did get a little red paint in there, something else that we're not going to want mingling in. Alright, so let's go back into our medium and just paint a little on. I just kind of shove it up against the red Try not to get over there too close. I don't want to drag any over. Then come down to the sides as well. And just be generous. It's okay if that got over there just a little bit. We're just going to be very careful when we put our glitter on. We don't want the glitter getting over there. So I'm going to reach over here and get some of the white. Take it over to the side. Alright. Now, okay, so you can kind of see how it's coming together here. That is not glitter you see there, it's just our decoupage medium that drizzled over a little. So that will dry clear. I'm going to go ahead and finish this, and then we'll be ready to put the bow on and paint the skewer white. Now something else you might think about doing, because as you can see I've had red glitter dots dropping off of there. So I think instead of putting this back in the jar of white, I'm going to keep this separated for a project that's not going to matter if the glitter has mixed a little. And over here I'm going to go ahead, go back into my medium. Since it ran, I'm just dotting a little back on there. And I'm going to drizzle a little red back over that just to be sure that it's not going to have any of the white. Okay, but here's our little ornament. Looks really, really cute. You can leave it like this, or you can put cellophane over it to make it look like a wrapped lollipop. Both are cute. But I just wanted to share this. I thought it was a cute idea, and I hope you guys have a great week this week, and thanks for stopping by today. Bye.